Henrik Drusebjerg helps oversee $230 billion at Nordea Bank, where he's a senior strategist. He joins us live now from Copenhagen. And so do you think that we will see something of a discrepancy, if you like, in the performance between US and European stocks in the year ahead? And if so, how should that affect the way you invest?
We're really trying to move towards areas that can produce some growth in the coming year. We've been overweight emerging markets for some time, and I think because the macro numbers from the US over the last 3 months has improved significantly, I think it's time to put some of the weight from Europe and Japan to US equities now.
Can you be a little bit more specific about industry groups?
No, we've gone very defensively to the U.S. so far. It's mostly telecom, it's non-cyclicals, mostly because we think the risks from 2011 generally are intact here in the beginning of 2012. There's a major political risk both in the U.S. and Europe that could hurt the growth. And then the Iranian problem seems to be bigger and could spark even higher oil prices, which will be very hurtful to a slow-growing economy.
I suppose one of the big risks in the year ahead is European banks, and because of their holdings, their exposure, if you like, to European sovereign bonds. If the situation in the bond markets gets a lot worse, we're obviously monitoring the fallout on the banks. So if we see that play out, how could that affect US bank earnings and forecasts?
That could definitely affect bank earnings in US as well. So I think what it's about right now is not taking huge bets, trying to find safe havens, and the US are a relatively safe haven market among the equity markets. So I think there are different reasons to prefer US equities right now. The macro numbers are better, but should some of the risks play out during 2012, you will be better protected in the US, though you will not be immune to the problems causing these problems.
Well, so thank you very much. There you go, Henrik Drusebjerg, senior strategist at Nordea Bank in Copenhagen.